Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online course with Kajabi, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your online course with Kajabi, start by logging into your Kajabi account. Once logged in, navigate to the Products tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Select the course you want to protect from the list of your products. Click on the Settings option within your course. In the Settings menu, look for the Access settings. Here, you can choose between different access levels for your course. If you want to restrict access, select the option to make your course private. Next, configure the enrollment settings to control who can join your course. You can set conditions such as requiring payment or inviting specific users. Make sure to set up a pricing plan if you're charging for the course. This can help limit access to only those who have completed payment. Now, implement a strong refund policy to add another layer of protection. Communicate your policy clearly on the sales page to manage expectations. You may also want to add a terms of service agreement that users must accept prior to access. To further protect your content, consider using a membership model. This model allows you to regularly update content and control access over time. Now, go back to the Products tab and check the other features offered by Kajabi. Explore the email feature to communicate important updates or reminders. Additional security can be added using Kajabi's integration with third-party tools. Consider tools that offer advanced content protection and user tracking. Regularly update your course content to keep it fresh and relevant. This not only enhances protection but also encourages user engagement. Ensure all videos and resources are uploaded in a secure manner. Use Kajabi's built-in features for hosting video content directly on the platform. Finally, monitor user activity through the dashboard. This will help you identify any irregular access patterns or suspicious behavior. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your online course with Kajabi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.